welcome to Jerulita Travel. I'm Daniel. I would like to present you a Riga city tour. I've been to Riga many times and I love this city. I love to wander around the old city with its medieval atmosphere, all the new buildings, churches, bars, pubs and nightclubs. Riga is a German-style city and one can enjoy narrow streets leading to the side from the main squares and the narrow streets. There you can find boutique shops and coffee houses, art galleries and little hotels. The narrowest street in Riga is called Rosena and is less than 2 meters width. You cannot skip the underground Riga. The cultural level in the city is about 2 meters. You can clearly see that when you stand next to the cathedral or next to one of the Riga churches. At the same time, it gives us an idea that there must be some underground life. One of the most thrilling places in the medieval style restaurant is the old Gothic cellar of the 15th century building. You go down the stairs and find yourself in the big hall, but at this point you cannot even imagine that it's only the beginning of the labyrinth of the rooms and corridors. Riga Old City is not very big, but has a character. It has 3 bigger squares: Reformation Square with St. Peter's Church, Town Hall Square, and the beautiful complex of Blackheads building, and the Dome Square. Livo Square is the last one with the theater and building of the medieval guilds. All that and much more than that will be on our tours with our best guides in Riga and around it. You are welcome to surf our webpage to find the best offer for you.